Imagine looking out over an expansive field of rich, sandy soil with the rhythmic hum of tractors slicing through the land as far as the eye can see. It's harvest time in Vincennes, Indiana, and today we're diving into the intricate process of digging potatoes, a crop that's destined for one of the most beloved snacks, potato chips. This video captures not only the impressive mechanics of modern farming, but also the dedication and art behind each harvest. This region is known for its fertile sandy soils, ideal for potato farming. The scene unfolds in late July 2020, marked by favorable weather that avoided recent thunderstorms, creating perfect conditions for filming. Potatoes here are part of a tight schedule, planted by late March and ready for harvesting around early July. These potatoes go from field to processing facilities, transformed into crispy potato chips, often within just 24 hours. One of the stars of the show is the versatile lineup of tractors employed at Veek Farms. The 2180 model, built between 2000 and 2008 in Winnipeg, Canada, boasts a 7.5-liter New Holland engine, capable of 260 horsepower. On the other hand, the 280 model, with production years from 2009 to 2014, features an 8.3-liter Cummins diesel engine. Each tractor plays a specific role. For example, the versatile 2180 pulls a Logan potato windrower, capable of digging 4 rows of potatoes at once and laying them in a central row. This sets the stage for the 280 model, which powers the double L manufacturing potato harvester, processing 8 rows of potatoes simultaneously. What strikes me about this operation is the balance between tradition and technology. While the methods may appear straightforward, digging, sorting, and loading, the precision required to handle such large volumes speaks to decades of refinement in farming techniques. Unlike early 20th century methods that relied heavily on manual labor, these modern operations allow farmers to optimize yields and labor efficiency. For example, the use of pivot irrigation, visible in the background, ensures that the potato fields receive a consistent water supply, a practice that's crucial in sandy soils known for their quick drainage. I recall speaking with a farmer named John, who shared a similar story of resilience. During one season, unexpected rainstorms threatened to derail the entire harvesting schedule. Unlike Veek Farms' fortunate weather in July 2020, John's team faced delays, muddy fields, and mechanical breakdowns. Yet with the help of his community and the versatility of their equipment, they managed to finish on time. This story highlights the unpredictable nature of agriculture and the unwavering dedication of those who work the land. Another memorable example comes from a farm near Idaho's Snake River, where innovative farming methods were combined with sustainable practices. There, farmers incorporated crop rotation strategies with legumes to enrich the soil and used cover crops like sorghum sudangrass, similar to the practice seen at Veek Farms. These approaches not only sustain soil health, but also contribute to the next planting season's success. Returning to the heart of the video, the potato harvester operated by Veek Farms is a sophisticated machine. The double L manufacturing harvester efficiently separates the potatoes from soil and debris, side-loading them onto trucks bound for the processing plant. This logistical element is key. Time is of the essence to maintain freshness. The process culminates in the farm's on-site grading facility, where potatoes are sorted based on quality. Witnessing these operations is a humbling reminder of the unseen efforts that make everyday commodities possible. Potato chips are a simple pleasure, yet behind them lies a symphony of coordinated efforts involving weather monitoring, soil management, machinery, and human expertise. The dedication required extends beyond simple labor. It's a testament to the farming community's resilience and ingenuity. Thunderstorms just skirted the fields of Veek Farms, a stroke of luck that underscores how critical timing and weather can be. In agriculture, such close calls are common. A mere few miles can make the difference between a successful harvest and a season lost to flooded fields. This reality keeps farmers constantly vigilant. In the latter part of the video, we transition to post-harvest work, where Veek Farms deploys a versatile 305 tractor for tilling the field. The team uses a sunflower disc and a Great Plains seedbed conditioner before planting a cover crop of sorghum Sudan grass. This step is more than routine. It reflects a sustainable practice aimed at replenishing soil nutrients and reducing erosion. Sorghum Sudan grass, known for its rapid growth and dense root system, helps retain moisture and add organic matter back into the soil. What makes farm operations like these stand out is the collaboration required. Tractor drivers, farm hands, and equipment operators all contribute to the seamless execution of harvest. As we conclude, the sight of tractors working the land and preparing it for the next cycle serves as a poignant reminder that farming is a continual process. It's a cycle of nurturing, harvesting, and replenishing, all carried out with a blend of muscle, machinery, and mindful stewardship. If one thing is clear, it's that every potato harvested tells a story, one of hard work, teamwork, and the ever-present challenge of working in harmony with nature. Thank you for joining me on this journey into modern potato farming near Vincennes, Indiana. If you enjoyed this deep dive, consider subscribing for more stories that celebrate the innovation, challenges, and dedication found in farming communities worldwide.